Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got a Samsung microwave and are in need of some new filters, I want to show you these ones here from Samsung. I got this microwave used and it was missing one of the air filters, so I was really happy to get a Samsung replacement part, and it was so easy to install. So these filters have a little pull tab on them, which allows you to simply remove the filters, change them, and then put them back in. They are super lightweight, but they do a really great job. And they are definitely a really important part of this microwave setup, since these act as the air filter for the exhaust fan over the cooktop. So I really love that these are small, lightweight, easy to install, and are going to help the microwave to perform its best and also keep the air clean in my house. So this is a really easy and quick DIY project to make sure that your microwave is working its best and is nice and clean. And that's my point of view.